This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments involve risk. Do your own research. Manu Banner is not a licensed financial advisor. The M.B.U group is also not responsible for any financial decisions you make. Any third-party content used falls under fair use for commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making any investment decisions. Let's talk about the ETF that eats fear for breakfast. This is the ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ. It's a 3x leveraged inverse ETF that runs the opposite of the Nasdaq QQQ. When tech stocks crash, SQQQ spikes, and that makes it a powerful tool when you know how to use it. Now, here's where it gets strategic. You can play this two ways. 1. Shares, just buy and hold, short term. It's affordable and easy to scale into. 2. Options, calls or puts. That's where the juice comes in. With options, you can catch 30, 50%, even 100% returns, but you gotta time it right. This isn't about gambling. It's about waiting for the market to break and then pouncing with a plan. At M.B.U, we don't chase, we trap it. Benefits of SQQQ. Leverage. You get 3x the inverse move of the Nasdaq. Hedges your bullish portfolio. Great for downtrends, market panic, or major red days. Cheap to enter, easy to scale. But there's a catch. Cons of SQQQ? Decay. This thing bleeds slowly over time. Holding long term, you're toast. Only works when QQQ is falling. Choppy markets will burn your position. That's why we train to be snipers, not cowboys. We wait, we watch, we confirm, then we strike. How to trade it the M.B.U way. Use a 5-minute chart for confirmation. 3 strong red candles equals you're in. Don't dump your whole account in. DCA, dollar cost average, your entry. Start with 1 contract or 10 shares. Wait for a deeper move. Add again only if the setup confirms, not because of emotion. Set sell targets, 25 cents, 45%, 70%. Never hold past your plan. We play it smart. No FOMO, just discipline. At M.B.U, we use SQQQ to catch moves when the market panics, train students on risk management, build confidence in high volatility trades. This is not some guesswork. This is structured execution. We don't fear red days. We profit from them. Join the team. Learn how to run shares and options with confidence. Trap the market.
Big opportunities in life have to be seized. We don't do very many things, but when we get the chance to do something that's right and big, we've got to do it. And even to do it in a small scale is just as big a mistake almost as not doing it at all. I mean, you've really got to grab them when they come, because you're not going to get 500 great opportunities. You would be better off if when you got out of school here, you got a punch card with 20 punches on it. And every financial decision you made, you used up a punch. You'd get very rich because you'd think through very hard each one. I mean, you went to a cocktail party and somebody talked about a company, you didn't even understand what they did or couldn't pronounce the name, but they made some money last week and another one like it. You wouldn't buy it if you only had 20 punches on that card. There's a temptation to dabble, particularly during bull markets. In stocks, it's so easy. It's easier now than ever because you can do it online. Just you click it in and maybe it goes up a point and you get excited about that and you buy another one the next day and so on. You can't make any money over time doing that. But if you had a punch card with only 20 punches, you weren't going to get another one the rest of your life. You would think a long time before every investment decision, and you would make good ones and you'd make big ones. And you probably wouldn't even use all 20 punches in your lifetime, but you wouldn't need to. Yep.